Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the color of this lipstick, or the color of any object for that matter, in Lightroom. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go down here to the HSL sliders. The first thing that you need to do is you need to find out what color your original object is, so you can change the color. You can do this by clicking this little tool right here and just selecting the color and dragging around, and you're gonna see over here which sliders are moving. So I know that the main color in this one is red, and the second color that I could use is orange. So now I can, like for example, let's say I want this to be pink, so I can just drag this until it's pink. And then if I want like smaller changes, I can also do some changes on this slider right here. Okay, so that's already like all there is to the first option. And then let's go back up here. And then we're gonna select a brush. And if you click the O key, you can actually see what you're marking. It's kind of hard to tell in this image because the lipstick is red as well. And then like in the middle, you can just go freehand like this, but on the edges, you want to click this. It's automatically mask, and it will just, like as you can see, I can go over the edge and it will just pick the colors in like the object that you're in right now. By pressing the Alt key, as you can see, there's a minus brush popping up. You can remove your selection or make it look more more precise. Okay, so I think that looks really good. Let's press the O key again. So this is the original image, and now if you click here on color, wait, first you desaturate the image, then you click on color, and then you can pick any color that you like. So let's say we want a green lipstick. As you can see, there are some areas that I didn't mask that well. Let's go over those again. So I think that's good enough. And let's press enter, and as you can see, this is the before, the original color, and this is the after. It looks perfectly real. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other requests for tutorials or anything you want to know, just comment down below, or you can also DM me on Instagram and I'll be happy to help you and film those tutorials as well.